I didn't wake up one day and decide to become emotionally mature. There wasn't therapy music playing in the background, there wasn't a dramatic argument, and there wasn't life changing TED talk. It was worse. It was quiet. I realized I was becoming a carbon copy. And not in the cool, strong, silent type way, in the subtle, annoying, slightly controlling way. There's something deeply humbling about adulthood. One day you hear yourself speak and you think, wait a minute, that sounds way too familiar. And not familiar in a good way. It's like your nervous system downloaded software in 1983 and just kept running it. No updates, no patches, just control.exe. I wasn't violent, I wasn't cruel, I was intense, rigid, and hyper responsible. And I called it leadership. And that's actually a clever rebrand. In the beginning of my marriage, I was extremely jealous. It's embarrassing to admit it. I didn't recall it being fear. I called it love. I called it standards and I called it boundaries. Which is amazing because if you rename insecurity correctly, it sounds spiritual. But what it really was pressure. Pressure to behave in a certain way, pressure to reassure me, and pressure to make me feel safe. And nothing says romance like low-grade emotional surveillance. And for the first few years with my daughters, it showed up there too. Not cruelty, not violence, just pressure. If they left the lights on, if someone broke a glass, the small things. The small things that didn't need intensity. And here's the part that hurts a little. Pressure feels like safety to the person applying it, but it feels like walking on eggshells to the person receiving it. And the real shift didn't happen because someone yelled at me. It happened because I slowed down. I started writing, not for Insta, not for performance, good old-fashioned writing, pen on paper. That's actually how the book of your life started. Not as a product, not as a master plan. It was me trying to figure out why I react the way I do. And when you write long enough, you start catching yourself. We don't parent from wisdom. We parent from memory. And unless we become conscious, we become copies. And I almost became one. And I'm still uninstalling some of the software. I'm not proud of how I handled the first few years, but I am grateful I noticed. Because the moment you notice, you have a choice. In the next video, I want to talk about what actually changed. Because insight is nice, but behavior is where it counts.